Good morning. This is Peter Affronti for Allendale's Morning Wake-Up Call on Friday, December 22nd. First of all, we have a full session today. Next week, after Christmas, so Tuesday the 26th, the markets have a hard open at 8:30. So there is no overnight trade on Sunday or Monday night. And we have a hard open on Tuesday at 8:30. So as of right now, we've got March corn up 0.75 cents to 473 1/4. You have March Chicago wheat up 2 cents to 614 1/2, and March soybeans up 4 3/4 cents to 1306 1/2. So let's get right into it here with the corn. Most of yesterday's light support looked to be some light, fun short covering. They look to be slowly exiting positions before the end of the year. And for corn, that means covering a few shorts. So we should see the market, as long as the funds keep on doing what they're doing for the end of the year, they should be covering shorts, meaning buying the market. So taking profits, short covering. We should expect some very slow and low volume trade today, unless any type of major headline is seen. No rail line updates as of this morning. Still too early to make a case for major demand problems, but something we need to watch out for is the rail situation here. Ethanol was moderate this week, and yesterday's exports were slightly slow. Neither looks to need major changes on the January crop report, though. Soybeans. Well, let's look at the 1 to 5 and 6 to 10 maps in South America. And right now, Argentina is getting some light rains in the 1 to 5 to 6 to 10 day. Brazil continues to see active rains in the entire 10-day outlook also. So fair value for March is $13. Despite the solid looking weather maps, private analysts do continue to lower production ideas. If you have been watching the weather maps, you know that they have been seeing some rains down there, but you've been seeing some headlines and on the radio about how dry and bad South America is. Well, it's not as bad as what is thought. We are seeing a lot of hype this time of year, but if you've been doing this for a little while, you know that South American weather does get hyped up pretty well this time of year, looking for the bounce going into New Year's and the January 12th report. Wheat exports came in right as expected and not offering much influence on the price right now. But moderate exports continue to be a moderate price, and the same range for March Chicago continues. Overseas wheat is on a grind lower, and if it falls much more, it could start to offer some spillover resistance to U.S. wheat. So something we need to watch out for here. And finally, cattle. Yesterday's box beef choice was up. Or PM box beef choice was up $2, select down 33. So right now we got a packer break even at 175.39. Yesterday looked to be fun liquidation of some longs as they continue to exit positions, just like what we're seeing in the corn market, where they exit their long positions. Exit their short positions. While in cattle, they have long positions that they are exiting. So we are seeing this market pull back a bit here. Something we do need to watch out for. So funds are likely long less than 20,000 contracts or 10% of the record. So they don't have many positions left to exit. Cash did trade mostly $1 higher this week, but a slightly lower box beef report through the week suggests that next week is more likely to trade steady to possibly even lower. So we need this box beef to stay higher here. So fundamentals have improved slightly in the last 2 weeks, but it's still way too early to say recovery is right around the corner. It is possible cattle may trade sideways for a little while here. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to call in to 1-800-2-MARKETS. This is Peter Affronti for Allendale's Morning Wake Up Call, and everyone have a very merry and blessed Christmas.